Local 12 News has learned that Cheryl McCafferty is set to get out of prison in mid-December after serving 8.5 years for manslaughter.
McCafferty has been locked up since June of '07 when Fort Thomas police found her husband Robert dead of gunshot wound to the head in their bedroom. His family thought she would serve until December of 2016, but a new law and more good time means she'll likely be home sooner. Local 12's Joe Webb has been following the story since '07. He joins us with exclusive new information. Joe?
Well, Rob, last month we first found out about the impact of the new law which took 6 months off Cheryl McCafferty's sentence. At that point, the Department of Corrections math had her release set for April of next year. Today, they upgraded that to the middle of next month. Now, this is video of Cheryl McCafferty's parole hearing in January of 2011 when the parole board said she had to serve 5 more years before another hearing. Now, next parole hearing was scheduled for today, which McCafferty waived. The parole board ordered her to serve out her sentence, and their new calculations are based on her completing a program, a parenting class, that would take an additional 90 days off her sentence. She's set to complete that class next month, and when you subtract that 90 days, she's scheduled to be released in mid-December, less than 8.5 years after shooting her husband, Robert McCafferty. That was June 25th, 2007. She was convicted of manslaughter in March 2009 and sentenced to 18 years. Bob McCafferty's family says she's getting out much too soon.
Well, nothing's been easy since June 25th, 2007. Today's another one of those days. We knew this day was coming. We knew that we wouldn't see Bob on earth again, but we also knew that she was eventually going to get out. This is a little earlier than we thought, but we have to accept that and move on and accept the decisions of our legal system.
Now, Lampe says McCafferty's early release is an unintended consequence of House Bill 463, which was meant to clear out nonviolent offenders from the jails. Now, he's working with lawmakers to fix that. I spoke with Cheryl McCafferty's mother, Betty, and her daughter, Molly, today. They are thrilled that she's getting out. Her mother says the family is anxiously awaiting her return home. Her daughter said getting her mother home for Christmas is the greatest gift she could ever ask for. Rob?
Joe Webb, thank you very much. Because Cheryl McCafferty was found to be a victim of domestic violence, she was eligible for what's called mandatory re-entry supervision. That cut another 6 months off her sentence. The law took effect 2 years after she was convicted of manslaughter.